China has unveiled plans for the world's first fully robot-operated hotel, signaling a major leap in automated hospitality. The project, led by Pudu Robotics, is set to open in 2027 in Guangdong Province, located on West Artificial Island along the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link. The hotel is described as a full-scenario robot service facility. That means robots will manage every major function, including reception, check-in, room service, housekeeping, food preparation, and guest assistance. Well, if you need components to assist in your design, there's no better place to find them than at Mouser Electronics. Panasonic's AQA series small screw terminal solid state relay is engineered for reliable switching performance in demanding environments. The relay adds 10 amps, 600 volts DC option to its lineup, complementing existing AC models. Designed in a compact form factor, it features a protective terminal cover and 47.5mm mounting pitch for easy installation. A built-in varistor enhances surge protection, while an LED indicator provides clear operation status. RoHS compliant, the Panasonic AQA series is ideal for heater control in commercial and industrial equipment, including cooking appliances, vending machines, molding systems, and temperature-controlled machinery. Check out the relay today by visiting Mouser.com or by clicking the link below. How does PoE work? To explain, we present David's Corner.
Thanks, Andy. There's a concept that's emerging in industrial automation, but it's actually been quite popular in residential and commercial applications for quite some time. And the concept is called Power over Ethernet, or PoE. Normally, Ethernet handles signals but not power. So when we connect a PLC, we're going to get a network between the controller and the load device. But near the load device somewhere, we have to have a power outlet, or we have to have wires running back to a power supply, and that increases the infrastructure installation difficulty and cost. Power over Ethernet is nice because it provides the power and the signal just over the Ethernet cable, and that can travel a long distance. Now, I'm not an expert in all PLCs, so there may be some models out there, but to my knowledge, there are no PLCs that natively provide power over Ethernet from their Ethernet port. So what can we do in those cases? Well, some network switches are supplied with PoE injected into certain ports so we can provide power to our PoE devices, but we also have what's called a PoE injector. It's a really small device, and it really just goes in line with the Ethernet signal between them. So here's how it works. We connect one Ethernet cable between our controller and the input side of our PoE injector. We connect power in a location that's near an outlet, and that will put power onto the PoE port, which we can then connect to our PoE-enabled load device, for example, a stack light or some types of drive devices. It doesn't provide a whole lot of power, so it's not going to be a substitute for a good industrial power supply. But for many devices, especially those that are installed in remote locations, security systems, lights, things like that, these can be a great benefit to give us more control while lowering the difficulty of the infrastructure out at the point of installation. Andy, back to you.
Thank you, David. All right, it's time to adjust your knowledge gains in our SmartBit quiz with our 3 control automation questions. The questions are scored using actuator output percentage, and today we'll be testing your knowledge on humanoid robot hospitality. Let's begin with our first question worth 25%. A guest waves excitedly at a robot receptionist, and the robot waves back, overshooting and sending a stack of brochures flying like confetti. In a humanoid robot receptionist, which control strategy best ensures stable arm motion during human interaction? Is it A, open loop control, or B, closed loop feedback control? And the answer is B, closed loop feedback control. Closed loop feedback control uses sensor feedback to continuously correct motion, preventing wild swings and ensuring smooth, safe interaction. Okay, let's move on to our second question worth 25%. A robot maid rolls in with soup. following a fixed path and extends its arms as the guest reaches out. But the robot doesn't quite adjust and soup spills everywhere. In a humanoid robot made, which control strategy best ensures stable arm motion during human interaction? Is it A, open loop control, or B, closed loop feedback control? And the answer is A, open loop control. Open loop control does not use feedback to adjust motion. As seen here, the robot follows a fixed path regardless of changes, leading to a very messy service. Okay, let's move on to our third question worth 50%. A guest asks a humanoid robot for directions. It locks onto a preset gesture and swings its arm right, accidentally hitting a passing guest. In a humanoid robot providing guest assistance, which control strategy best ensures stable arm motion during human interaction? Is it A, open loop control, or B, closed loop feedback control? And the answer is A, open loop control. Open loop control executes a fixed motion without adjusting for real-time changes. As shown, it doesn't account for moving people. Want to try again? Just click the link on your screen and be sure to subscribe and check out our other Automator's Edge videos.